Hey guys, welcome to HK Offroad. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going out, do a little testing on our front recovery standalone shackle tab kit. But I wanted to show you what it's made of. First of all, this is your factory hook. It's mounted in 3 locations. So there's 2 bolts that mount the factory hook, and then this 3rd bolt just goes here. And that's just a riv nut that's staying in place, like a clip of some sort. So these are our shackle tabs. We've designed this from scratch 3 years ago. These are used on our winch mounts. These are used on our bumpers. This base plate is a 1/4 inch steel. This is from our winch mount. This is the plate of our winch mount. We have the shackle tab welded all around, as you can see, and down here. And then we've added 2 gussets. So as you can see, this little lip here, it goes all the way. We've grinded it down so it's flat. You can see it's kind of slanted. It's not really straight on the plate. And the reason for that, we wanted to have a bolt going through the shackle tab. So it takes a little bit more labor to drill this 3/4 inch plate, 3/4 by 1.5, but that's how we're gonna do it. So the sandwich plate is what I call it. It's actually a master washer, but we like to call it a sandwich plate. Those are factory holes, no drilling is required. Just mounts right up. So those are the 2 bolts that hold it from the front of the vehicle, and then this one will go to the back, which is right here. Let's see how rusted this thing is. Very rusted, of course. Oh geez. We're gonna have to tap this hole. Amr is our volunteer for today. Amr, you sure you want to do this?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Sean, you've created a fantastic product. I think Jeep should learn from you.
Thank you, Amr.
And we'll find that out in an hour. So let's go to Live Creek.
You think it'll break or what?
No. The car, maybe.
The car, yes. That's an East Coast car, so you don't know.
All right, let's go do this. What's your feedback on these shackle tabs?
Well, first of all, I have no idea what a shackle tab is, what a D-ring is, what anything is. But for me, this looks like something NASA would use to pull their spaceships, their rockets. This is too thick of a piece. In fact, I think it makes Jeep look bad. It's that much of a heavy duty, and I think this can pull anything. It's too strong, it might even bend your frame.
I agree. I agree.
This is that strong.
Yeah, that's good. You can go further back. We're going to have all 4 vehicles there.
You're tagging?
It's in good hands. I think this is overkill. This is just going to rip this out. and we're going to go. I mean, I'm not worried about the recovery part, and I'm not worried about the shackles doing anything. What I'm worried about is actually my frame twisting.
about 3 feet. It's loose rocks, loose to wash. So for sure he's gonna get stuck here trying to climb that. What we'll do now is I'll strap him with the tow strap and I'm gonna yank him. I don't like yanking recoveries. In fact, I despise, I highly advise against yanking. That's why we have a winch. But for testing reasons, we have to yank because we know that some people don't have winches and they're probably gonna end up trying to yank you. All right, so here we go. All right, that concludes our testing. We did 4 winch sessions, I believe. We got it high center, we dragged it. We yanked it twice. Thanks for tuning in. I'd say that's some pretty strong stuff.